This week, our adventure takes us to the southwest corner of Rwanda, down to the Rusizi district. Even to get there is a big test of the Komera spirit. From Kigali, first you'd have to pass through Muhanga, then Nyanza and Butare, and then pass through Nyungwe National Park. Nyungwe National Park is a very difficult road that weaves in and out of potholes, and the driver struggles to keep control while narrowly missing all the other cars. I noticed the longer I'm on this bus, the more I enjoy being alive. Once through the forest, we hit some calming tea fields, and then it's ready to go. So first thing I want to do after 6 hours on the bus is go running. It's gonna be fun. Let's go, Kari.
Alright.
Yeah. Check me out. Look.
I'm Kari Rogers. I come from Michigan in the USA, and here in Rwanda I live in Changugu.
And I'ma keep running, but I'm never running out of money. I'm a dog, I'm a skunk.
There's a couple things. It's just a great stress reliever and a great way to start the day. And it's also a really nice way to integrate because you see the same people out on the road every day. You greet them and they know you. If you're like 30 minutes late, they're always like, why are you late? Like everybody knows exactly what's going on. And so it gets people really used to seeing you out and about in the village and get them more accustomed to you.
Big boss shoes, Southwest seats in my trunk, no boom, got a black gun in the bay of the beach. And it looks like I'ma die like you.
Another Cash Money classic, you heard me? Birdman, Lil Wayne.
Well, at first, it was, you know, a lot of shouting, like, what are you doing? What's going on? Why are you running? It's kind of weird. But I've been in my site for like 1.5 years now, so people are completely used to it. I run with my students, and yeah, it's becoming more just part of the culture, I guess.
Abasore warabananiye guteramo indobo bakagutinya njye sinzahubuka nzaza buhoro buhoro 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 ariko ntugereko.
So we only have to go uphill a little bit longer, and then it's all downhill from there. Definitely my dad. He has run every single day without missing a day for, I think it's 26 years now. He runs through thick and thin, through injuries, in freezing, icy roads. He never misses a day, and yeah, so that's pretty inspiring in and of itself. Sinzakoresha imitoma, nzakoresha amarenga, nzaharanira yuko unkunda. 20 kilometers.
Just ran all the way from your house to Rusizi. What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna take a nice long bucket bath. Komera, don't stop believing. Keep going. Never stop.
Zaza,